मेरे पास तो बुक जस्ट अ मोमेंट आई एम कमिंग विथ माय बुक.
Greatest mind of the human race. So children, what the suggestion I have for you all that if you are in tension, now you cannot.
तो क्या 23 is what there. You can send. Okay. You are in now group or not? Yes, everyone open please page number 268. Or now please tell me anyone has any doubt? Yes, in this question. Exercise 23, math, 8th class, and today is what? 11 Feb. Doubt in question number 5. Yes? Question number 9, part 5. Huh? So the question number 5 is a man started his journey on his car from a location A and come back. The graph given below shows his position at a different time during the whole journey. Now, now Shivani, tell me the first answer. At what time did he start and end his journey? Shivani, are you in class? Tell me the answer of question number 9, part 1. At what time did he start? At 6 p.m. he ended. Okay. Now the second question, second part. Next, Saksham. What was the total duration of the journey? Saksham, are you in class? चश्मा भूल गया क्या मैं यहाँ पर? नहीं ठीक. Thank you. Sorry, sorry. Yes. Now Saksham is there or not? Now you, Shivani. Sakshi. Okay. Now Sakshi, tell me, what was the total duration of this journey? अभी शिवानी ने बता दिया कि उसने 5:30 5:30 he started his journey at 5:30 and end at 6 p.m. So you can tell me the whole duration of the journey. Huh? 5 a.m. से 6 p.m. Manjit, sit down. Good. So it is 5:30 to 6. Yes, 12 hours 30 minutes. So the total time duration is 12 hours 30 minutes. Which अभी तो छोड़ो उसके how far the R18 hours. At what time did he have the fastest speed? है ना? This is the basic question. So there is a part you have to find. See, 5:30, 5:30 to 6. Tell me the distance. 20 kilometers. Now 6 to 7. हाँ, 6 to 9, yes. So same 20 kilometer. Okay. After that, 9 to 10. 9 to 10. 20 kilometer. And again 10 to 1. 20. 20 पे ही है ना वो कांस्टेंट, तो उसको हम 20 ही मानेंगे ना। वो टोटल बाद में हम देखेंगे कि कितना कवर कर रहा है, क्योंकि हम एक पीरियड के बीच में देख रहे हैं। वी आर जस्ट वॉचिंग द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन अ पीरियड। तो 9 to 10 it is 20, and after that 1 p.m. to 2, so 40, I think it's 40, sorry, 1 to 2, it's, चेक करके बताओ जल्दी से। ठीक है, तो हमें इसमें क्या बताना है, लाइन एट व्हाट टाइम डिड ही हैव द फास्टेस्ट स्पीड। ओके, इसको हम 130 कर देते हैं, एंड नाउ वी सी इन दिस पीरियड इट इज फ्रॉम 40 to 80, so it is 40 kilometers, and after that 130 to 2, 130 to 2, it is 20 kilometers, and now see from 2 p.m. to 2 p.m. to 5:30. Now next is 2 p.m. to 5:30. How much distance he cover? 80 kilometers. And at the last 5:30 to 6, 20 kilometers. So now see, अब तुम्हें दिख रहा है यहाँ पर दो ही ऑप्शन है, वन इज दिस 130, 1 to 130, and here is 2 p.m. मतलब 2 to 5:30. How many hour is here? Huh? 3.5. So 80 by 3.5, and in this 40 by 0.5. There is two possible speed. Only there is two possible speed to give this answer. Is one is the 1 p.m. to 1:30, that is the distance covered in 30 minutes is 40, and here 2 to 5:30 is 80. So Manjeet, tell me the answer. Which is the maximum? This 80 divided by 3.5 is, or this is 40 divided by 0.5. So here the speed is 20 kilometer per hour. Oh. नहीं, ये क्या है? 0.5 का मतलब क्या होता है? तो इसको हटाएंगे या जीरो लगाएंगे और इसके बाद काटेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर। और यहाँ पर कितना आएगा? ऑब्वियसली 80 से कम आएगा। सो 1 to 130, 1 to 130, the speed is the maximum. What? 2 p.m. to? Answer is this. Okay, we will check. And this distance is in kilometer, huh? So 3500, तो 35 लगभग 22, किलोमीटर इन from 2 to 5:30, 2 to 5:30, 1 hour, 2 hour, and this is half. And here the speed 40 kilometer in just 30 minutes, na? Yes, this is the fastest. Don't consider the. Okay. Now more doubts. और कोई doubt है? Yes, tell me the doubt. Question number 14. Or in online, anyone has doubt or not? कि सबने कर लिया क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 तक? Okay, you can watch the video and then try to solve this question, this exercise number 23. And if you find problem, then you can ask. Okay. Now, question number 14. Manjeet has a doubt in question number 14. So, can you please read the question, Manjeet? Okay. Now the question number 14. Huh? Part 3. Okay, now the question number 14, part 3. So, okay. Riya, tell me. अच्छा, you don't have book. तो तुमने किया तो होगा ना क्वेश्चन नंबर 14? हाँ? कर लिया सब क्वेश्चन तुमने? अच्छा, नहीं किया? अच्छा, sorry. Okay. On which day was the forecast temperature? The first part is on which day was the forecast temperature the same as the annual temperature? Good. Now the second, what was the maximum forecast temperature during a week? What was the minimum actual temperature during the week? What is the minimum actual temperature during the week? This is what? एक टेम्परेचर क्या है 15 और दूसरा टेम्परेचर क्या है 17.5. तो इसका आंसर में भी इन दोनों को प्लस करके डिवाइड बाय 2 किया है क्या? कितना आंसर है इसका? एक्चुअल टेम्परेचर ना, तो वही तो पूछ रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पर तो 35 इसलिए क्योंकि एक्चुअल ऑफ, अच्छा एक्चुअल टेम्परेचर, तो एक्चुअल टेम्परेचर इज 17.5. 15. वो तो इनका वो प्रॉब्लम होगा, फिर ये कोई डाउट नहीं है. What is the actual temperature during the week? Minimum actual temperature during the week. Actual temperature. हाँ ये तो रहा, ठीक तो है. एक्चुअल टेम्परेचर इज 15. हाँ, तुम उसको इनिशियली स्टार्ट में क्यों लेके जा रहे हो? उसने क्वेश्चन पूछा होल वीक. हियर इज द 15. Yes. The doubt is basically what was the minimum actual temperature during the week, during the whole week. During the whole week, and you can see on Thursday and Friday, the minimum actual temperature is 15. Yes? More doubt? No. So do the question number 16 by your own. Now the 17th question. The following table given distance traveled by a car at a various time interval. Study the table and draw the linear graph. Draw the linear graph for the same. 6 a.m., 40, 7 a.m., 80, this, and 9 a.m. is this. So graph is like this. Question number 16, 17. See, the graph is like this. On x-axis, we can represent the time 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 is here. And now you see, this is 40, 80, 120 and 60. So we can take a scale like this also. 20 से start कर लेते हैं. 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100, 120, 140 and now 160. Now the scale is like this. For y-axis is 1 unit scale. Scale for y-axis is 1 unit is equal to 20 kilometer, and this is the distance in kilometer, and this is the time. Clear? Now 6 a.m. it is 40, 7 a.m. it is 80, 8 a.m. it is 120, and 9 is 160. You can see it is a straight line graph. Okay, this is basically जब इसे graph पे बनाओगे तो you can see this is a straight line graph. And now how much distance did the car cover during the period from 7:30 to 8? 7:30 to 8. So now everyone see this is 6:30, and you can use ink here also. 6:30, 7:30, and this is in between time. So you can see 7:30, you can draw a line like this and check. And 8, I don't know it is 120 or not. See, when you draw a graph, you can draw a dotted graph, dotted line for your question and check the distance. So, how much distance? According to my graph, I see there is 20 kilometers. But I think there is an actual answer. Question number. What is the question number? 17. Yes, 20 kilometers is there. What is the distance? This is for first, the distance is equal to 20 kilometers. Now, for the second question, Manjeet, can you read the second part? Hmm. What was the time? What was the time when the car has covered a distance of 100 kilometers? Yes? 7:30, yes, exactly. Sit down. 7:30 a.m. is the answer for this. Okay, Shivani, read the next question. Question number 17, part 3. हाँ जी, 8:30 a.m. तक कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया? शिवानी, tell me the answer. You can again draw a dotted line here and check. I think it is 140. Maybe it's 140. The total distance is 140 kilometers. Till 8:30, the answer for this is 140 kilometers. Till 8:30, a man moved 140 kilometers. Okay, Shivani? Good. तो तुम्हें समझ में आया कि हाउ यू मेक अ लीनियर और अ लाइन ग्राफ? लीनियर ग्राफ when a line graph consists of a whole unbroken line, it is termed as a linear graph. Achha, now there is one, maybe there is a one doubt. What is the difference between line and linear graph? Yes, anyone online also? You can see now here the graph is broken. See, now when we draw this graph, this is broken because it starts from anywhere and ends from anywhere. But the linear graph starts from 0 and in a straight line. You can see that is unbroken. Clear? कोई confusion है? Yes, this is the main difference between line and linear graph. Line graph is actually broken line, मतलब एक ये टुकड़ा piece of line है यहाँ पर, but the linear graph is never broken. It starts from 0. Whatever जो भी होगा उसको नीचे से start करना है. Okay? वो कहीं से ऐसे, it's not compulsory कि always it starts from 0. Maybe it starts from 40 also. If anyone any doubt, so you can see the page number 261. Here the graph starts from, I think 20 and 40, 38 से start हुआ है graph. Yes, clear? Okay. Now 18, from 18 and 19, plot a line graph for the variable p and q, where p is 4 times q. Question is this: using the graph, find out the value of p first when q is equal to p when q is equal to 6, and find q if p is equal to 20. Okay. So I think question number 18, 19 you will do by your own. If you find any problem, you will tell me. Now the question number 20. See the question number 20. And how many students online there, Shivani? See. Okay. Now question number 20. You have graph paper, graph copy. क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? मैं भूल गया. हाँ, okay, Pulkit. Yes. Okay. Now Pulkit, read the 20th question. Book तो नहीं है तुम्हारे पास ना? तुम्हारे पास भी नहीं. You can read, please. Question number 20, 20. Yes. Now P is equal to 4Q. We have to make a table first. P is here and Q is here. Sit down, please. And now, in first, find P. Find P if Q is equal to 6. So P is equal to 4 times 6, which is equal to 24. So we have to write here 6, then it is 24. लिखते जाओ. इसको पहले लिखो, उसके बाद बनता है इसका ग्राफ. And now the second is Q. Find Q. For second, find Q if P is equal to कितना 20 है. So now 20 is equal to 4Q and Q is equal to 20 by 4, which is equal to 5. So Q is equal to 5 in this. So now we write Q 5 and this is 20. And just 2 points we have to plot on a graph. Yes, Manjeet? Clear? You Pulkit? Clear? You Riya? Okay? And there is only 2 points, so I want you can draw the graph now. Everyone must draw the graph now. And P must see The upper portion P must be on x-axis and Q must be on y-axis. ठीक है, छोटा सा बनाना, बहुत छोटा सा, बट और ये जिसमें 20 और 24 है, यू कैन यूज 20 एंड 24 ना, तो अगर हम 4 को यूज करें तो हो जाएगा ना। हाँ, तो यू कैन टेक लाइक दिस, एक्स में जो है उसको 4 को लेना। दिस इज फॉर अ कन्वीनियंस, ये कन्वीनियंस क्या बोल रहा हूँ, 4 8 16 20 एंड देन 24 फॉर एक्स एंड वाई के लिए तुम वही ले लो। कोई बात नहीं। इज दैट क्लियर शिवानी? एंड इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी टू राइट द स्केल, लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज इट इज अ कंटिन्यूड, हियर -4 -8, सो इसका स्केल सेम है। एक्स एक्सेस के लिए अलग लिया है और वाई एक्सेस के लिए अलग लिया है। प्लीज डू इट नाउ। पॉइंट बन गया, फर्स्ट मेक अ डॉट। यस, जस्ट ड्रॉ अ लाइन। लीनियर नहीं है, इट्स लाइन ग्राफ, लाइन ग्राफ बनाना है ना। हाँ, जस्ट यस, तो उसको क्रॉस भी कर सकते हो, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि वो है, उसमें तुम क्रॉस कर दो, पॉइंट ही मेंशन होगा उसके अंदर। अब ये तो मैंने शॉर्ट कर दिया ना, अगर ये मैं शॉर्ट नहीं करता तो फिर 4 लाइन में आता। ठीक है, सी here is 5 and here is 6, you can draw like this, no problem, and this is a line graph, not a linear graph. ये लिखा हुआ है plot a line graph, and question number 21 is the same. Question number 21 is plot a line graph for the variable x and y where y is equal to equation, write down the equation, यहीं पे लिख लो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के लिए, write down the equation please. Y is equal to 2x plus 1, y is equal to 1, and there is two situations. First, find y when x is equal to 5, find y when x is equal to 5, and the second situation is find x when y is equal to 13. So I think now you all will be able to do this question by your own. Find x when y is equal to 13. Yes, clear? ये copy करो first, फटाफट। Question number 20. And the question number 21 is the same. So you can do question number 21 in classwork, but not now. Now we move to question number 22. ठीक है, अभी नहीं करना है, मैंने ग्राफ लिखवा दिया बिकॉज सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट में बुक में प्रॉब्लम है ना। ओके, नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. Manjeet, can you read the question number 22?
A bank gives 10% differential from deposits by senior citizens. Draw a line graph to illustrate the relation between the sum deposited and the simple interest earned. Find from the graph the annual interest obtainable for an investment of rupees 250. Second, the investment one has to make in order to get an annual simple interest of rupees 70.
So first we have to make a graph. तो हम ग्राफ कैसे बनाएंगे जी? A bank gives 10% simple interest on a deposit by a CDS citizen. Draw a line graph to illustrate the relation between the sum deposit and the simple interest earned. And now the investment is 250. कैसे पता चलेगा? So everyone must draw like this. In here it is interest, and here the deposit. Okay. And now the deposit is 250, so we can take like 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 like this. Okay. और इफ यू वांट टू इंटरेस्ट को हम यहाँ भी ले सकते हैं. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि इसमें एक्स वाई, क्योंकि इसमें एक्स वाई डिसाइडेड नहीं है, वो दिख जाएगा हमारे को दोनों. एंड वी विल टेक अ इंटरेस्ट लाइक दिस. तो यहाँ पर सिंपली देख लो कि 10% इंटरेस्ट होगा 250 पे कितना. व्हाट इज द इंटरेस्ट? कैलकुलेटेड फास्ट. नहीं नहीं, वो 10% ऐसे नहीं ना. हाँ, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. यस, you have to find out the simple interest for this. This simple interest is equal to PRT upon 100. So this is time is 1 year. Annual interest. We have to give the annual interest 1, and the rate of interest is 10 upon 100. So what is the interest? 25. So 25 na, so we can take like this to 20, 30, 20, 30, 20, 40. 20, 40, 60, 80. I'm making small graph. If you want, then you can take 10, 10, 10 also. और इसके बाद सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में हमें 70 का आंसर करना है, इसीलिए मैंने मैक्सिमम 80 लिया है. ओके. नाउ सी, it's what is the amount? 250 ना. 250 and this is 25. So you can see here this is 30 और इनके बीच में आएगा तो ये हो गया हमारा, and here is the 250. See, this is the graph. Oh, ये इधर आया. Okay, this is the first dot, and now see, उसने बोला 70, तो उसे भी हमें फाइंड करना है. इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल टू 70. So what is the sum? So P is equal to 70 into 100 by 1 into 10. So it will be 700. So you can increase this 600 and then 700. And now this is the point here, and you can draw a graph like this. Sorry. Yes. So the annual interest obtained for a investment for 250 is 25, and the investment one has to make in order to get an annual simple interest of 70. तो 70 के लिए उसको 700 रुपए डिपॉजिट करने पड़ेंगे. यस, कोई कंफ्यूजन है? अब सपोज कि इफ नाउ शिवानी टेल मी, शिवानी, आर यू देयर इन क्लास और नॉट? ओके ओके, वेट वन मोर. सबसे पहले तो एक काम करते हैं, इस क्लास को खत्म कर रहा हूँ और आई विल सेंड द लिंक, अनदर लिंक इन द ग्रुप. ओके. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now this graph is like this. So suppose if the simple interest is 60, then how much money? So you can draw a line here, then you can see this line drops to 600. So if you invest 600 rupees, then you will get 60 as a simple interest. Is that clear? तो ये ग्राफ ऐसे ही बनते हैं.
Yes, sir.
This is just basically a situation based graph. So 23rd you can do by your own. Now let us see the 24th. This all are the distance time graph. And explain the situation related represented by the following distance time graph. See everyone, question number 24. If the graph is like this, and this is the distance time graph, so what this graph means?
Sir, it is at uniform speed.
This is the uniform motion. This shows that uniform motion और uniform speed भी बोल सकते हैं, not an issue. Uniform motion or speed. ठीक? This is the first one. Now the second one, like this. And पहले भी तुम्हें मैंने बताया कि if a line is parallel to x-axis then rest. So here it is rest and this is uniform motion. Uniform speed. Yes? So first this
Yes,
is
sir.
in uniform speed and then at rest. And the third graph is like this.
Non-uniform speed.
Yes, it's non-uniform speed. Yes, if the graph is curved, then we say that it is a non-uniform motion, uniform motion or speed. And you all will learn more about this in the class 9 chapter in physics, motion. Okay. And now see, can there be a temperature time graph as follows? Justify your answer. टेम्परेचर टाइम ग्राफ हो सकता है? क्यों, वो
Yes,
यूनिफॉर्म
sir.
होता है क्या? हाँ तो हाँ, ठीक है. So you can see there is 20 in question number 25. There is 4 options. One, in 25th question there is four type of graph. One is like this. Second is like this. Third is like this. And fourth one कैसा है? Rest. Temperature is constant. अगर if it is a question related to temperature time graph, then two situation is not possible. This is basically increase, increase uniformly. Okay, and this is basically decrease uniformly, and this is not possible. rise in temperature in a straight line, because 8 बजे ही 10 भी टेम्परेचर हो गया, 20 भी हो गया, 30 भी हो गया, 40 भी हो गया, एक साथ टेम्परेचर इतना सारा नहीं बढ़ सकता. So this is not possible, and temperature never be at rest. Yes, in a practical situation.
Yes.
In a practical situation, temperature never be at rest. Temperature never be at rest. Okay. Now I think this is the last question. So is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Only for the first two. This one. It is possible with any kind of equipment. इक्विपमेंट में पॉसिबल है, बट दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. फर्स्ट, कभी टेम्परेचर 40 पे डायरेक्टली कांस्टेंट नहीं, ऐसे हो सकता है. ठीक है, दिस इज पॉसिबल बिकॉज इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम जीरो, रीच एट अ स्पेसिफिक टेम्परेचर एंड इट इज कांस्टेंट. बट दिस बेसिकली फॉर द एनी इक्विपमेंट, क्योंकि हम लिमिट करते हैं. क्योंकि अगर जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल देयर इज अ गीजर, ठीक है, तो गीजर क्या होगा, जीरो टेम्परेचर, वॉट एवर दैट, वाटर के टेम्परेचर को नहीं, गीजर क्या टेम्परेचर प्रोवाइड करेगा. तो टेम्परेचर जो भी होगा उसको इनिशियली हम जीरो से काउंट करेंगे. 0, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 लाइक दिस. तो 70 पे जाके वो कांस्टेंट हो गया. अब 70 पे वो अपना काम कर रहा है. व्हेन ऑल द वाटर कम्स एट 70 डिग्री, देन इट मींस दैट इट इज अ रेस्ट, क्योंकि वो 70 से बढ़ नहीं सकता, उसकी लिमिटेशन है. If all the मतलब maximum water is come at the 75 degree Celsius, then there is a thermostat, वो उसको कट ऑफ कर देगा. अदरवाइज अगर कंटिन्यूअसली वो बढ़ता रहे, तो ऐसा कोई भी इक्विपमेंट नहीं है जो उस चीज के लिए हम यूज कर सकते हैं, या ऐसा कोई सा भी मेटल नहीं है हम स्पेसिफिकली गीजर के लिए यूज करेंगे, क्योंकि वो तो कॉन्स्टेंटली टेम्परेचर बढ़ता रहेगा. इफ इट गेन एनर्जी इट विल राइज, तो उसका मतलब है उसको रोकना पड़ेगा ना. एक स्पेसिफिक टेम्परेचर पे हम उसे रोकते हैं. लाइक अ क्रूज कंट्रोल इन अ कार. जानते हो क्रूज कंट्रोल क्या होता है? सुना? तो क्रूज कंट्रोल एक बटन होता है. व्हेन वी प्रेस दैट बटन, ठीक है, सपोज आवर स्पीड इज 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड वी प्रेस अ बटन, दैट इज द क्रूज कंट्रोल. देन योर कार लिमिट्स टू 100 स्पीड. Whenever you want to rise that speed, it is not possible. Or if you using a brake, speed becomes slow. Then, without touching the accelerator, it goes to the 100 degree Celsius. Sorry, 100 degree, 100 kilometer per hour. This is basically called a cruise control. ठीक है, और ऐसा ही सिस्टम हमारे गीजर में, हीटिंग डिवाइसेस में होता है कि थर्मोस्टेट का काम है, वो थर्मोस्टेट उसको कट करेगा. एंड इफ द गीजर स्टार्ट, इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम जीरो एंड रीचेस टू 70 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड देन कट ऑफ. आफ्टर दैट इट स्टार्ट्स अगेन टू द 70. तो हम किसी चीज को लिमिट कर सकते हैं, लाइक अ क्रूज कंट्रोल इन अ कार. तुम लोग सभी नेट चलाते हो, उसमें देख सकते हो. ठीक है, इफ यू प्रेस अ क्रूज कंट्रोल बटन, देन कार never go beyond that speed. Or if you use a brake, it's not required to press the accelerator, वो अपने आप ही 100 पे पहुंच जाएगा. Okay, so this is very comfortable and this is economical, because in this, according to this, we have to this is basically a economic mode, और इससे हम अपना पेट्रोल सेव करते हैं ऑन अ हाईवे. ठीक है, तो हर हर चीज के लिए एक सिस्टम है. नाउ दिस इज क्लियर एवरीवन. ये सिचुएशन हो सकती है, बट नॉट फॉर द वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, एनवायरमेंट. एनवायरमेंट का टेम्परेचर ऐसे हो सकता है, और उसके बाद ये कर्व हो सकता है, यूनिफॉर्म नहीं होगा, और फिर ये नीचे ऐसे आ जाएगा. तो टेम्परेचर के लिए कर्व लाइन इज पॉसिबल, नॉट स्ट्रेट लाइन. ठीक है, स्ट्रेट लाइन मतलब इंक्रीज यूनिफॉर्मली, मे बी समडे हैपेंस लाइक दिस, एंड डिक्रीज यूनिफॉर्मली। एकदम से टेम्परेचर नहीं हो सकता, मतलब डेजर्ट नहीं है, हम लोग डेजर्ट में नहीं देखते। इन डेजर्ट द टेम्परेचर, उसमें भी ये नहीं हो सकता, ऐसा हो सकता है, ऐसा, या ये थोड़ा मतलब कर्व रहेगा, लेकिन ये ऐसे हो जाए, ऐसे हो जाए, बट स्ट्रेट परपेंडिकुलर नहीं हो सकता। इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, परपेंडिकुलर इज नॉट पॉसिबल, बिकॉज एट द सेम टाइम द टेम्परेचर, इफ टेम्परेचर वांट्स टू स्टार्ट राइजिंग, तो उसको टाइम चाहिए। ओके, ओके एवरीवन, क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Now from
Yes,
tomorrow
sir.
we
Yes,
will
sir.
start पाई चार्ट। युवा अभी ज्वाइन किया है क्या, पहले ज्वाइन नहीं किया था? एंड फ्रॉम टुमारो वी विल स्टार्ट पाई चार्ट, सो एवरीवन मस्ट रेडी विथ compass, yes, compass scale, okay,
Okay.
clear? And you
Yes, sir.
and take protector also. Three things is very much required for the pie chart. One is the compass, second is the scale, and third is the protector. Clear? Okay, now the class is over. Bye bye
Yes.
everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank